Okay, let me start. Just give me a few minutes. I'll come back. Okay, sorry about that. I'm ha- I'm having back-to-back hiccups for last few minutes, so that's why you heard that squeak. Sorry about that. I can't really do anything. It's not creating any issues. Still, it's irritating. That's the problem. Those hiccups, those are just the worst. Can't do anything about it. Okay, I need to open YouTube. I don't have that panel opened yet. So let me check. Okay, that's good enough. Also, if you hear a squeak in between the stream, uh, just understand that I'm having back-to-back hiccups for last few minutes, as I explained previously, and I can't do anything about it. That's the problem. Okay, let me go studio, content, live, and chat. Okay, done. Upper part should be, I don't know what it should be. Okay, it should be this. Uh, just managing some stuff. Give me a second. Yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying this. Let me just start. Also, I did change. Okay, I did change this. Next is what's next? Lo-fi. Properties. Lo-fi 16. Okay, you guys can now hear the faint background music. It's overlay is not over, like, I don't know, overshadowing my voice. But yeah. Okay, so we were working on the FPMM event handlers, and currently we have done two, not more than that. So let's see. Also, yeah, two other. So let's start with the next one, which for us we can pick anyone, but we'll do handle funding removed. So FPMM handle, no, funding removed dot handler context. Okay, great. Now same thing we have to do FPMM. Okay. Next is amounts remove. Okay. I guess all the events are same. Old amounts, old amounts is this. Then let amounts removed equal to event dot params dot amount removed. New amount is this amount's product. Okay. Give me a second. Okay. So okay. Sorry about that. We have done this. Now we need to do what are that? That part is value amounts removed can be okay. This will be amounts removed. What? Okay. No. Old amounts removed. This continue. Then value is minus old amounts minus okay new amounts I guess. Okay, no. Amounts removed. I okay. Is it okay? That's an array. That's a good thing. Okay, then I guess I have to first change this. Then do const old amounts removed as this and add okay what I guess we need to use or. Okay, this part is correct now. We have done that correctly. Next we want to okay it's everything is just same like there is no you see FPMM calculate price liquidity scale and root. Okay, we did okay collateral scale update liquidity fields. We don't need to go here, But there is one more step, which is fpmm equal to yeah, we'll do that, but we still need to do the total supply first, right? So let's do fmm total supply equal to, okay, yeah, here burned, here burnt. Now we'll do if fmm is equal to fpmm outcome token prices, calculate prices, and we are going to pass new amounts. Good. Next is just fpmm increment. We are going to set it also. Why? Oh, okay. Liquidity remove quantity. Remove quantity, and now we need to record funding remove transaction. I guess the we don't have the schema. No, I guess let me check. Record funding addition also. Why there isn't like a collapse collapse function collapse function or button there? I don't know. Funding removal. Okay, we need custom entity for it. That's good. Let's go to schema. Remove the entity part. We don't need it. Need that. Fixed product market maker. Big int. Okay, good enough. Let's do pnpm code gen. Okay, there won't be any error. Now we can do context dot funding fpmm funding removal dot set. Great. Let's check what's up with this. We'll do id event dot transaction dot hash. We don't have. Let's go here. You need to use this at the top. You can't use the reference before it's what do you call it, before it's defined. So that's why I pushed this up. So we have 1 2 3 4. So first, and then it's using 3 references. Again, we need to do pnpm code gen hash. Next is timestamp, then market. Okay, not provider, let's remove this. I don't I don't think that's correct. Yes, that is not correct. Next we'll do funder is, then amounts removed is amounts removed, collateral removed is collateral. Okay, event dot params dot collateral removed from ppool share burnt. Okay, that works. What's cool? We are doing this. Let me check. Okay, we are modifying this part to use int. Anytime we change anything, we have to do pnpm code gen, or you can wait. It doesn't really matter. Okay, it does matter. Sorry, I spoke incorrectly. When you make changes in config or schema, just go and do like pnpm code gen, so you have types and everything is type safe. Let's go at the bottom and okay. So I want to check this part. Removal. Okay, there is no market. It's FPMM. Okay, it's not market ID. It's FPMM ID. Okay, great. With this, we have completed our part for funding. What's the name? FPMM funding removed event, and this should be good enough. Let me check the readme for what we haven't done yet. Okay, this is, we'll tackle this afterwards. Cool. Let me just push it. Funding. No. Funding removed. Event handler added. Get push. Okay, with that we are done with this particular event. Next we want to go for added, funding added. And is there one for transfer? I don't remember seeing that. Yes, there is for transfer. Okay, that it's pretty simple and not that complicated, so I don't think there will be any issue. We just have to focus on added. Okay, yeah, till that point I am good. Now we just have to be careful. AI will still help us a lot. So you see, okay, I'm looking at, I knew that. Yes, old amounts now will, what, amounts added, new amount, that works. Then we need to do the same thing. Okay, now we'll do get collateral first, then calculate the nth root and all the collateral related things. So you see this part, we push, no, ca- calculate prices is not here. Okay, let's remove this part. We do set this new amounts, so that should be there. Next nth root collateral. Okay, we do update liquidity fields, so that's done. Liquidity fields, then we do plus shares minted. Okay, market maker previously had zero liquidity. We then need to update the initial prices. Okay, so this is not technically correct. We need to add, the suggestion is not correct, so just do supply for now. Remove this, go to like if fpmm total supply is equals to share minted, then calculate outcome token prices, increment to this, and now we'll record it. For recording, we increment, save, record, go to add. Okay, add entity, find the schema.graphql, go at the bottom, remove this, update the timestamp type, fixed market, funding, added, funded, share minted. Okay, we need to update it. Cool. Context dot funding added dot set. Here we need to change few things. Amounts added, amounts refunded. Let's go to handle funding addition, removal addition. Let's just cross check everything. Funding added, transaction hash, timestamp, address, funder, amounts added is amounts added. Amounts refunded is, oh, here we need to calculate this particular part. So for now we'll do like 0n. No, uh, let's move this outside. Let funding addition. Hey, hi, Arjun, sorry, Arjun, just saw your chat. If you have any questions, just let me know about NVO, about what I'm doing, anything, and would love if you check out NVO. So yeah, I guess, not sure if you are still there, but uh, anyway, thanks for joining. Uh, and check out NVO at nvo.dev. That's the thing that's the framework I'm using here to create this indexer. Okay, cool. Thanks. Fund. Let's go back to this funding addition entity equal to this. Okay, no, not that. This one. Remove. Remove. Here, I need the type. Okay. So if I get the type funding addition import, no, underscore t, we have imported that, and this will be an array. Oh, give me a second. Okay. Order book is not off chain. If I like, if I understood correctly, because you can see orders are everything. Everything is here. This is their official subgraph. Like the reference I'm taking, this part, and it does have um, order book in it. So order book is on chain, and you can like track everything here. So you see orders matched, that's one function, one event, and then order order filled, so that's second event. So both are on chain, and we can track, like, I guess that's how you'll track the traders, right? So yeah, that's why we are building the indexer. And this indexer does have like multiple things. You see, uh, it has wallet trackers, sportsbook oracle like indexer, order book indexer. Now there is also FPMM factory. So this is similar to like any factory contract that is there. And currently we are working on FPMM. So if you know Uniswap, like it will be same as like Uniswap pool factory and Uniswap pool. Similar here we have like FPMM factory and FPMM. So yeah, it is on chain, and I think I can send you a reference so you can check using order book. This, yeah, that's one of the using order books, mapping, canceling. Okay, maybe they should update this. Get order book summary, introduction. I want to check where they are explaining the order book, but I probably won't find it. Essentials only, production. Okay, no, um, not useful. Anyway, I can send the link of order book here. I think orders and matching is off chain. Oh yeah, that will be off chain. Uh, I don't think on chain matching is like efficient enough. So or they can't build like efficient like contract that is doing order matching on chain. But you do have like order filled and order matched. Like order filled is basically they are pushing the order, and matched is basically if again if my understanding is correct, that's what I'm saying. Uh, Order matched is basically the when order is like matched with other one. So yeah, um, I think or your assumption is correct, but rest of the part, like I'm not actually trying to do trading, right? I just want to do analytics, and for that, these events are good enough. So you see, central block order matching. Right now, I'm just trying to migrate the indexer from subgraph to HyperIndex, which is the framework that NVIDIA develops or NVIDIA is working on. So yeah, uh, don't know the nitty gritty of like how order book works, but as you said, like it's correct. It is when you send an order, it's on chain, and when it's matched, it's on chain. But in between, like the matching part, like that part will be somewhere in their system off chain. Okay, do you have any plans to build a Polymarket trading bot? I want to build one uh, for like copy trading, not arbitrage, because arbitrage is pretty tricky, which is why like I want to do copy trading bot where I track particular wallet, and if there is a trade, like it will do that trade. And uh, same thing again, I'm going to use one of the products by NVO. Also, just to clarify this, I do work for NVO, so this is just me using our product because I just like it, um, and it's fun to use it. So yeah, this is I've been doing these streams way before I joined NVO. So yeah, this is the product that I will be working with. Will be working with when building the copy trading bot. Okay, yeah. Um, just to clarify things, like um, you can say this is sponsored by NVO, as I do work for them, but I've been doing this way before I joined NVO because I'm more interested in open source indexers or open code indexers where I can actually see the code, contribute to it, that kind of thing, and still have like some leeway how I use that indexer or where I host it. It's not vendor locked. So yeah, okay. I'll try to do copy trading bots soon enough, but I can't give you like the exact time because I still have bunch of subgraph to go, right. Right now I'm here. I have activity subgraph and PNL, and PNL is the most complicated subgraph. If you see this, if you go here and check PNL subgraph, you'll see why what I'm saying. It's it's pretty tricky. Just the calculations, like they can create a lot of issues where if I miss like one thing, everything breaks apart, and then debugging that part is pretty difficult. So yeah, maybe in few days I'll start working on copy trading bot, and then you can. I'll also share the Git repo. I haven't shared it for this one, right? Polymarket indexer. Okay, yeah. So this is the indexer, current indexer, current indexer that I am working on. Okay, good, cool. Also, let me know, is there any Rust? Yes, there is a Rust library available, and clients Rust GitHub. Okay, so this is the client. This is the Rust client. Also, everything everything like on the back end for hypersync, I think is uses Rust, and the Rust client is especially very like performant because the team has done this one. Like Jono works on Jono works on the Rust or hypersync related things, and he did some fantastic things under the hood where Rust client in particular is very efficient in getting data from hypersync to the data source. So hypersync is hosted on our servers, right? From our servers to your server, the data transfer is very efficient. You can select which fields you want, and the query. If you see anything here, let's go example. Mhm. Okay. Where no, I took a wrong example. Let me go wallet source main. Cool. So you see, this is the query. This whole thing. This query gets like cached on our servers. You can like change few things. Like I don't know what things, but some parts of query are cached. That way you send less bytes to our server, but still get all the correct data. You just change the filter values, not before. What was happening, if you have this query, you are sending the whole query every time, but now instead of whole query you just send like, if a topic is changed, then that will be sent, or the start and end block is changed, you only have to send that. That's what the Rust client does under the hood, which is pretty nice and very performant. That's the main main idea, and why you should use Rust client. You can also have use like other clients, Node, Python, Go, etc. But Rust is like the best thing to use for if you are using hypersync. But okay, cool. Also, tell me about yourself. Like, are you working on any projects that need data sources, or like, yeah, data sources, blockchain data sources? And if yes, like, I'll I would love to help you get started with NVO. No pressure. If you don't want to, I don't want to impose, but if you want to, just go ahead and ping me in the Discord or even on my Twitter. My DMs are open. So if you have any questions, I am happy to answer those. Okay, let me get back to this. Okay, funding max. We need to compute them. Maths, and there is the max function. Yeah. I think I can just use it as it is. Here it will be 0n and okay. I'm assuming. Oh no, we need to change this big int. It just there is always a type issue. This can possibly can be undefined. So if equal to undefined, don't throw. Oh, we need to do const, what to call this, like x equal to this, then use x here, then use, okay, great. This has everything that we need. Let's close this, go back to our thing, let added funds equal to max dot amounts added. Then for output index is 0, length plus 1. Okay, we need to do a for loop for I equal to 0, amounts added I plus plus. Okay, for amounts refunded. Oh, there is amounts. Okay, why we didn't create the that array? Amounts refunded is this. This is done. Now we need to do this. Amounts refunded I added funds minus. Okay, okay, cool. I don't really want to do this again and again. Let amounts added equal to this. Okay, should we do amounts added array? Great. We are still doing the same. Dot length. We still get this. So what we'll do is okay, let x equal to continue and use X here. Okay, this is good enough for us. And now we need to do amounts refunded. We just need to add that. Control X, funding entity, amounts refunded is amounts refunded. Okay, with this we have our last part, like we completed our last part of funding added. Cool. This is the fourth event of this contract. We only have one to go, so you see 1 2 3 4. Let me move this in the utils, maths, export. What? No, export is already there. We just need to import it. Max maths. Okay, done. Let me just do git add, git commit, funding added. No, FPMM funding added. Funding added. Event handler. Git push. Okay, let's collapse this part and do FPMM fixed product market maker dot transfer dot handler. Let's look at that handler first because we don't know what it's doing. We just need to understand that part. Okay, take FPMM from to share. If address is 0, then remove from membership and to membership. Okay, do we have membership? FPMM membership, I think that's what it's called. Okay, FPMM membership pool, FPMM pool membership, removal, addition, transaction. Yes, we do have this, so let's do it. You can say let FPMM if FPMM is not equal to 0 address. Okay, I don't want this from, not from FPMM transfer event. So let me check if okay, why, I don't know why they are doing not equal to, because it should be equal to, right? If I'm not understanding something. Sorry about that. I am back now. Let me just check few things. Okay, cool. What's happening? What's happening here? Cool. Now we can also, yeah, we are talking about why they are doing not equal to. I'll just put it in ChatGPT. Why this event handler is doing not equal to zero address. Shouldn't it check for zero address? This is from Polymarket subgraph repo. Oh, they are just doing it in reverse. I didn't see the plus minus sign. Okay, not equal to. Okay, but doesn't that means like it's saying from zero address is, if from is not zero address, then execute this. Oh yes, we are doing this for the users, not, if you remember this one, vendor address plus pool address. So where are we using this? Do you know? Okay, do we know? No, we don't know. Let me do. Okay, this is the wrong thing. Also remove this. This is also the wrong thing. From address to years amount value. From address is not equal to const zero address, zero address Then let from membership equal to await. Why? FPMM pool membership, FPMM pool membership dot get will do what will do. Okay, we'll do this underscore f fpmm address underscore. Okay, now we need to update it. So context dot set from membership amount shares amount. What's happening here? Okay, let me check. ID is string or undefined. Okay, is this like yes? I'll just you get or throw, and at the end we'll just catch it. Let's put this whole thing in the try catch block. Try catch error this, and in catch I'll do context log error in updating. Whatever the error is, it will get logged. Okay, this is with this we have completed our FPMM handler, FPMM subgraph. So let's close this and we'll move on to activity subgraph. We'll not cover that today. Instead, we'll try to start working on that tomorrow. Just understanding what activity subgraph is, how it works, and everything related to that. Okay, cool. If you guys have final few things, if you guys have enjoyed the stream, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and go follow NVO on Twitter. Go follow me on Twitter. If you have any ideas on how I can improve this stream, let me know in the comments. If you have any questions, you can DM me or join the Discord and I'll be there. Join the NVO Discord and I will be there answering your questions or one of the team members. But yeah, thanks for joining the stream and looking forward to seeing you here tomorrow, same time, which is 8:30 p.m. IST or 3 p.m. UTC. Whatever is good for you, make sure to join at that time. And yeah, have a nice day. See you guys tomorrow.